Hi kids!
Wow!
One, two, three, four. 4 lollipops. So colorful lollipops. Let's separate their parts.
Wow!
Light blue color, pink color. Again light blue color. And the stick is pink color. This is also pink color.
No.
This is our second lollipop. Violet color, yellow color. Again violet color. Do you like to eat lollipop, kids? Third lollipop, light green color, yellow color. What flavor do you like most, kids? My favorite flavor is orange. Our last lollipop, fourth lollipop, light pink color, light green color, again light pink. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join their parts again. No.
Hiya! Wow!
Now keep it aside. Let's join the second one.
Hiya!
Our last lollipop. Do you enjoy it, kids?
No.
Today we will learn alphabets. Wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Red color. This is our first color pen. Our second color is sky blue. Third color is green. Our fourth color is purple. Fifth color is pink. What is your favorite color, kids? Sixth color is yellow. Seventh color is light green. Our next color, eighth color is orange. And our last color, ninth color is blue. So we have 9 color pens. Write alphabets. Orange. J. J for jackal. J for also juice. Light green. K. K for kettle. K for also kangaroo. Blue. L. L for lion. L for also lotus. Our next color is purple. M. M for moon. M for also marigold. Yellow. N. N for nose. N for also 9. Pink. O. O for ocean. O for also orange. Red. P. P for pigeon. P for also penguin. Sky blue. Q. Q for quarter. Q for also question mark. Our last color is green. R. R for robot. R for also rose. Now say with me, kids. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.